Hi friends, it's still rainy today, so I thought we'd work on the car a little bit. So here, I think what I'm going to do is today I'm going to change the fuel filter. I have a new one here, a new Bosch one. Pretty easy thing. So I'm going to just go ahead and start by putting on the date. So we're the 13th of, I think we're November. Okay, and I'm just going to put, that's today's date, and then I'm just going to put the, let's see, 24,077 kilometers. So at least we know when it was changed, because the one that's on there now, I can't really determine when exactly it was added. So at least this time, I'll know, or the person after me who might have the car will know when it was changed, even though I'll still write down the date in the logs. So for this, we're going to need a 18 and 19 wrench. Let's go! Okay, so here I'm under the car. This is the fuel filter that we are going to replace. It's pretty easy to do here on the 944. You just untighten this bolt here, then unscrew this, take it out, and put in the new one. Now, I'm kind of a small bean, so I'm not using a jack or anything. I'm just here under the car. I fit, so that's kind of nice. So let's see here. I'm going to take 17 and I think that's 19. Yep. And I'm going to loosen this one. There we go. There we go. That one's loose. Now I'm going to do this one. That one I think is two 19s. So let's see here. Put one here. Like that. And I'm going to stick this one maybe like this. And up. Got it. So that's, this one's loose. Okay, so now I'm going to just loosen this one real quick. I don't want that one being in my way while I'm working. Let's see, so there we go. Awesome. Interesting. I think I don't want to take it all the way off. That's good enough for me. Alright, so let me take this off. I'm going to rag in case it's spitting gasoline all over me. That won't be so good. So and that's, oops, a little bit of gas. Hope it's not too much. I mean, it's just from the filter. And that's a lot more than I would like. So, let's get the top one up here. See if that's any better. I think what I'm going to do is get a little container so I can capture this gas so it doesn't leak all over me. Okay, I'm back. So I just finished bleeding out the fuel filter into a glass container because it was leaking and it was making a mess. So now I'm going to continue taking this off. So I'll just unscrew the top one all the way now. So that's free. Now I do this all the way now. So that's free. Now I just want to slide out the fuel filter from here. There. Should I just come right out? I might give myself a little more slack with this guy here. Okay. Derp, derp, derp. Alrighty. Don't need that. Where's the new one? Here it is. Alright, so, new one there. Okay, so now I have the new fuel filter right here. And I'm going to slide it through. Back into place. There we go. I'm going to put the numbers and the date here so I can see, or somebody can see next when I did it. I put this in there. This goes in there. Screw it back in. Derp, 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 derp. Derp, derp, derp. And put this one in too. There we go. Awesome. And this one a little bit tighter. See, isn't this easy? Awesome. So now I'm just going to take my wrenches and I'm going to tighten these back up.